We're about to record in a video right now. Basically double video at the same time. Except mine's gonna be longer. Yeah, because we started it. Yeah. Hey, watermelon! Yummy! Nom nom. I have a hamburger. This is horrible. Oh, I can tell you nothing. It's your nothing. Glossy cola is so cool. What? I'm standing with her. Oh no! If I take this, oh no! Oh no! It just fell off the wall. Take this. Well, I have to do something. Oh wait! What? He's died. I just met him. Why? What happened? Well, yes, I have to do something. Oh, that just happened. Everyone died. Watch out. Oh! No! Big bomb. Yo, it destroyed the button. Oh, the bug's back. Okay, I'm joining. Oh no. Be careful. What? The other way. I'm working. What? It's just rotating. This video is gonna be at least 5 minutes. Okay, of course. This is the beginning. Oh no! Ah! Right. Oh no! I died. My head. Jump over the laser. Oh no! Whoa. Hey, my head. Take that. Oh. That was not a lot. Get grab the mouse, please. I just died. Come on, reset my wings too. That's rude. I just fell down. What's falling? Jump over the lasers? What lasers? Hold on. Oh my god. I just killed him. I just killed a giant tree of farmer. What? Two at the same time? Mom, when are you coming back? Oh, Tony! Tony on the side. Mahan, when are you coming back? Score goal? Is that blue? Haha. You can't die in this game. But I'm killing. If someone's dying. But what took you so long? Let me kill you.
Where did you get this? Join the group for a bigger reward. Did you get it on my account?
No, I didn't. And you took so long, Mahad.
So what?
Our viewers are waiting for you.
Well, I'm happy too.
Yeah, that is kinda.
Not move. You're making me move. I didn't see that. It was kind of invisible.
What was?
Your face was.
Hey! Oh, there's a finish line. Oh, I win! So what? You Oh, hey. Hi there. Hi there.
Bing bong bing. Bing bong bong.
That's how you know.
Oh, the giant move slide.
This is gonna be pretty fun.
Ah, we're gonna be his crew.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
I'm going on his shoulder. Oh, it's invisible.
Yeah.
Is it Saturday?
No. Yeah. Sunday.
I thought is it Saturday?
No.
Then
Yeah.
what is it?
Sunday.
Sunday, Saturday. I'm just collecting coins. I don't want to do it. I'm just collecting beautiful coins.
Oh, you should do it. Yeah, you gotta do it. Oh, you gotta do
You said
I did. Oh,
you listen to me. Nobody.
I'm the chosen one. What does that mean? Get to the top. Now I'm stuck. I know I'm
This
stuck.
is pretty hard.
Yep, I'm stuck. Somebody help me. And now I'm playing again.
Same. How did those guys?
Halloween season?
Oh,
The Halloween is over.
I won. Come on, you're almost there.
Ah, this is so annoying.
Hot move your bumper.
Oh, this is Halloween music.
Jump! Why did I do that?
Why? Happy.
No, my coin.
We're grabbing candy. Yay.
I didn't even grab one.
Mama's not here to stop us.
I'm gonna tell her.
But this is just a game.
No. I can't not find candy. Found it. So that's cake. They're so dumb.
No, that is technically a candy.
It's not a candy.
Ice cream! Oh wait, yeah, that is
I
technically
only found one.
donuts. Donut. Hey.
Where are you guys finding candy from? Oh, I found a chocolate.
Chocolate?
Look, Al.
Hey, where's that chocolate? Did I see that? Oh, someone took it. You got robbed.
Hey, chocolate. Coins. Good coins.
You're always, I just said bye.
Am I dead?
So fast. Oh, you are. You are not. You did lose.
Get ready.
Fight. Say, oh.
How do I use these things? How do I use these things? Can anyone explain? How to move your leg?
Why?
It's disturbing me.
No, it's not. It's relaxing. I'm so good. Okay, let's stop. Okay, stop. This is stop.
That's the end of the video. Saying hard drinks.
No! No.
Hard drinks melt in a freezer. He's 9 years old. He drinks in a freezer. So funny.
Take that. Oh no!
Take what? And what's happening, by the way?
We have to fix the broken windows. Ah!
How do we fix them?
Oh!
Yay!
What's the no water gets in?
I know where water will leak from.
Oh.
Stay waiting. We don't want any boat to leak.
No, wait, what's this water? Spin. Okay. Okay. So, guys, this is the end of the video. It was fun playing this, and bye, guys. See you in the next video. Mahan, when are you ending this video? You have to. Stay on after the. Alright, guys. Hard here. This is the end of this video. So I'm basically playing with Sabar. And this is the end of this video. So bye, guys. See you in the next video.